We are pleased to show you the 2019 Express Commercial Cutaway. The Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway van, flexibility and durability are hallmarks of the 4500 chassis, as it was engineered to support the needs of 3 primary applications: school buses, shuttle buses, and ambulances. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, traction control, backup camera. Come see the car for yourself.